Alright guys, coming to you with a quick little tip today about how to do the Pitman arm without removing the gearbox. Didn't even have to take my tire off. I started by getting down here, taking loose the plate, skid plate, and took loose the two bottom bolts, took them completely out, and then just loosened the top third one up there. And I was actually able to pivot it up that way and get my puller in from the back side and get it on out of there with an impact, and I didn't have to take any of that shit on out of there. So I was pretty happy about it. It took me maybe about 45 minutes yesterday, and a lot better steering. I used a Moog Pitman arm 3 spline for the 2500 HD and 3500 with the diesels. Don't know about the others. I don't know if you can do this with the 4-wheel drive right there. I'm assuming so if you're just pivoting it up from the backside. But yeah, hope this helps.